Guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Smartwatch 4. This is the latest one from Samsung. So I bought this recently, it just came. So this is the 44mm, this is the sport one. So it's the packaging. The packaging's changed now as well. This is the LTE version as well. So you can put a digital SIM in this. Okay, let's open this quickly. Nice. Okay, just slides out like that. What's in here? This must be instructions and stuff. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, this side opens as well. So there's two sides. This is a... Oh, this is the charging port cable for it. Okay. Let's have a look at that. There you go. Little magnetic charger. Okay. So let's have a look at the watch. It's in a foam kind of box, I think. Ah, it's card. Okay, so here it is. From looking at it in person, looks very nice. Actually, proper nice. There we go. Have a closer look. See, these are the new designs now. It's like it's got a, what would you say, it's like a new frame in here. Ceramic. This is the rubber band, so you can take them off as normal as well from pressing that. This must be the power button. Let's quickly just power it on. Oh, there we go. It vibrated as well. Gonna quick put on my wrist. There we go. So you can get different strap sizes: large, medium, small. This is the small and medium. So this is the watch. From looking at it, the resolution is better as well. It's got 16 gig of storage as well, which is very good. Set up. Quickly see how long it loads as well. Yep. This is going to restart. Feels nice. Very light. You can get protectors for this as well later on. Just gonna let this load up. Nothing else in the box. Nope. So that's it. So you can see from here. It's very nice. Proper. The sensitivity is very good as well. So that's good. Makes a vibration sound as well. But yeah. Plus it looks very good on the hand as well. So that's good. So this is how the apps work. Just usual like the other one. But it's got a new operating system, I think it's by Google or something. So you can check your stuff here. Exercise. Quick steps. More stuff. So one of the faces, there's many. It's very nice. still see it. So it's a little bit dim now because I'm not looking at it, I think that's why. But yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'll see how this watch goes anyway. We can let you guys know.